Let us solve some problem with the nth term, right? Here one question is, if the 5th term and 13th term of an AP is 16 and 28 respectively, find out the AP. So, two conditions given. 5th term, T5 is given, that is 16. T13 is given, that is 28. You have to find out the AP. We know the general form an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, like this. So, we have to find out that AP. Okay. Let us suppose the first term is A and common difference is D. And what we know, T5 is, we know Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D, as we discussed before. So, it is 5 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 4D, and by the given condition T13 is A plus 13 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 12D. Now what? A plus 4D is equal to 16, A plus 4D is equal to 16, and A plus 12D is equal to 28. If it is equation 1, it is equation 2. So, solving equation 1 and equation 2, we can find out A and D because two unknowns are there and two equations are there. So, solving the two equations, we can get the two unknowns A and D. How? Simply we can solve it by, simplify by, if we do subtracting equation 2 minus 1, we can get A plus 12D minus A plus 4D is equal to 28 minus 16. So, it is A minus A cancelled, and 12D minus 4D, that is 8D, is equal to what? 22. Sorry, it is 12. So, D is 12 by 8, that is 3 by 2. So, if we can find out D 3 by 2, putting the value of D in any equation, we can get A. Very simple. So, from equation 1, A plus 4D is equal to 16. A plus 4 into D, the value is 3 by 2. That is what? A plus 6, that is 6, is equal to 16. A is 16 minus 6, that is 10. So, the value of A is 10 and the value of D is 3 by 2. Now, it is very simple to find out the AP. How? We know the first term, how AP is written. The first term A, that is 10. Second term A plus D, 10 plus 3 by 2. Third term A plus 2D, 10 plus 2 into 3 by 2. Third term A plus 4D, A plus 3D, that is, so first, second, third, fourth. Fifth term A plus and so on. So, that is the required AP is that 10, 23 by 2, 13, 20, it is 20 plus 9, 29 by 2 and so on. So that is the answer. So now we have to find out the sum of first n terms of an AP. We have discussed earlier what the general form an AP, which was A plus D, A plus 2D and so on, and the general term, that is the nth term. Now we have to find out the sum of first n. The formula is, if we denote the nth, the sum of n terms by Sn, it is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find out the first sum of first n terms. Now our question is, for example, 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Find the sum of first 20 terms. Find the sum of first 20 terms. You have to check first whether it is AP or not. So how you will check it is AP or not? You will calculate the common difference, which is same or not for all the terms. So 5 minus 3, it is 2, 7 minus 5, it is 2, 9 minus 7, it is 2. So here the common difference is 2. So it is in AP. Now clearly the first term A is 3 and the common difference is 2, 5 minus 3, 7 minus 5, 9 minus 7, that is 2. Now you have to find out is 20, right? So n is what? N is 20, 2a, n by 2, 2a, 2 into 3 plus n is 20 minus 1 into d. So after simplifying, we can get it is 6 plus 19 into 2, that is 38. So it is 10 into 44. So it is 440. The answer is 440. Now for our information, few things you must know. The sum of first n natural numbers. You know the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, n up to n. So it is obviously infinite. So the sum of first n natural numbers, sum we are denoting it by Sn. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. Sum of first n natural numbers. So up to 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is that? It is n by 2, n plus 1. Just keep in mind the formula n by 2, n. We can derive it applying the formula of sum. So it is n by 2, n plus 1. The sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. Then what? Squares of natural numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus n square. So what is that? That is n by 6, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay, and the third one is the sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. Then what? Cubes of first n natural numbers, sum of. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube. What is that? That is nothing but n by 2, n plus 1 whole square. So if you keep in mind this and this, it is very simple. That is the sum of first n natural numbers, that whole square. And now my question is for you, another question. If x, 2x plus 1, 14 are in AP, find out x. So it is a simple question to you. Please find out and write it in the comment box.